So, on the spot offer letter. Yes, you heard right. There is a walk-in drive for freshers on 1st June and 8th of June. On the given location, I'm attaching the details at this end of this video. So, जो कोई भी interested है, please go with your updated resume and other documents. This is for BTech and BE people, and this is a very golden opportunity for freshers, since most of the freshers are keep on texting that we are not able to get the job. So I request everyone to please attend this walk-in drive on 1st and 8th of June. The locations are given in the next template along with the email ID. If it is not of your use, please share with your friends so that they can be benefited out of this opportunity. I wish you all the best and do follow for more job updates. Thanks a lot. Shri Swami Samartha. Good morning, people. There is a company called TELUS International. I'll give you the brief name in the description box. This company is hiring across globe. Few of jobs are there which they are looking for permanent work from home employees, and irrespective of regions you will see jobs in every field. So I would request you all to go through this website. This is TELUS International, and they really do offer salary ranging between 30,000 to 50,000 a month. So those who are interested, please do apply with your updated profile. I'll again give the name of that company in the description. I wish you all the best and do follow for more job updates. Thanks a lot. Shri Swami Samartha. So good morning, guys. Deloitte is hiring for freshers. They are looking for knowledge on coding of Java and other things. I'm attaching the details after this video. So those who are interested, please share your updated profile along with the cover letter and mention about the job application in the subject line. I wish you all the best and do follow for more job updates. In case it is of not your use, please share among your colleagues and with your friends. Thanks a lot. Shri Swami Samartha. Hi friends, so one of the company is hiring for senior data analyst. It will be a remote opportunity. So those who are interested, please apply on the given email ID in the next template with your updated profile. I wish you all the best and do follow for more job updates. Thanks a lot. Shri Swami Samartha. Hi friends, so company based out in Hinjewadi in Pune. They are hiring for HR fresher role. I'm attaching the details after this video along with the email ID of the concerned person. So those who are interested, please update your apply with your updated profile. And I wish you all the best. Do follow for more such job updates. Thanks a lot. Shri Swami Samartha. Good morning, guys. We have new internship available for paid internship available for 3 months. This is for marketing interns. So those who are interested, I request you to go through the next template after this video, wherein I have added the information about the organization, the job responsibilities. Sometimes it may happen that if you join as an intern, this company, based on your performance, may continue with your work and they can make you a permanent employee for their organization. So I request you to find the email ID and apply on the given email ID with your updated profile. And I wish you all the best. Thanks a lot and do follow for more job updates. We have one more job opportunity for training coordinator at Bitwise. I'm attaching the details in the next template. So those who are seeking opportunity in training and development department, please apply with your updated profile. It is like 0 to 1 years. I mean, the freshers can also grab this opportunity. Thanks a lot. Shri Swami Samartha. Good morning, guys. So we have a new opening from Yes Technologies, that is for Indore and Pune location candidates. So Yes Technology is looking for lead AWS data engineers. So you can see the concerned person is Purva. So if you have the experience with regards to lead AWS data engineers, please share your updated resume on the given email ID, which you can see in the template or in the video itself. You can connect Purva on her LinkedIn page, and for more job updates, please do follow and share this information with as much as possible with your friends, so that they can be benefited from this opportunity. I wish you all the best. Thanks a lot. Shri Swami Samartha. So good morning, friends. Just got up and saw a LinkedIn post stating that TCS Corps is looking for freshers in sales and marketing. I'm attaching the details along with the email ID. This post just came about 6 hours back. So those who are interested and those who are freshers, please do apply. This is a very golden opportunity for everyone out there who are looking for a job in sales and marketing. So just follow the template which I am attaching after this video, and I wish you all the best. Do follow for more job updates. Thanks a lot. Shri Swami Samartha. Good morning, friends. We have new openings with Tata Consulting Engineers for Jamshedpur location. I am attaching the details of the upcoming walk-in drive at Jamshedpur location. I request all of you there, please visit to their LinkedIn page and explore the opportunities. They are looking for minimum 2 years of experience and maximum 16 years of experience in different positions. So those who are interested, please explore the LinkedIn page of Tata Consulting Engineers, and I'll keep on sharing more job updates with you, and do follow for more job updates. Thanks a lot. Please, Swami. Hello friends, so we have openings for freshers, that is a work from home job. I'm attaching all the details with the required JD and concerned person email ID at the end of this video. So those who are interested and having an interest in environmental, social and governance part, please do apply with your updated profile. I wish you all the best. Do follow for more job updates. Thanks a lot. Shri Swami Samartha. So good morning, guys. There is an opportunity to work from home. I'm giving you the details at the end of this video. This is specifically for HR people, and they're looking for these candidates to work as per the US timing shifts, which is mentioned again in the next template. So they have mentioned the timings, email ID, and they're looking for 0 to 3 years of experience in the HR operations. So I'm attaching the details. So those who are interested, it is a good opportunity to work from home. Again, this is a LinkedIn post, so please ask as many questions as possible to the concerned HR on the given email ID along with your profile. I wish you all the best, and do follow for more job updates. Thanks a lot. Shri Swami Samartha. Hello. Opening for lead generation executive, that is for freshers. I'm attaching the details at the end of this video along with the email ID of the concerned person. Do follow for more job updates and do apply for this position with your updated profile. I wish you all the best. Thanks a lot. Shri Swami Samartha. Good morning, friends. We have opening for MinStack development. That is work from home opportunity. 0 to 2 years experience. I am attaching the concerned person's email ID and the details in the next template. So this is a good news for MinStack developers. Those who do not have experience, please do apply with your updated profile, and I wish you all the best. Do well and do follow for more job updates. Thanks a lot. Shri Swami Samartha.
Good morning, all. I wish you all very happy Dashera. Today we have an opportunity for HR associate that is completely, or you can say, a permanent work from home. I'm attaching the details post this video. Please do apply with your updated profile, and I wish you all the best. Do follow for more job updates and business ideas. And if it is not usable for you, please share among your friends so that they can get an opportunity. Thanks a lot. Shri Swami Samartha.
Good morning, friends. So there is one more job opportunity for you. One of the biggest e-commerce organization is looking for a contractual role in their organization. I'm attaching the details along with the email ID. Please go through the details and apply with your updated profile. And I wish you all the best. Do well and do follow for more. Shri Swami Samartha.
Morning, friends. So we have freshers opening in Chennai. I am attaching the details along with the email ID. This is for 22-23 pass out batch. So please go through the JD and apply with your updated profile. I wish you all the best. Thanks a lot. Shri Swami Samartha.
Good morning, friends. All business analysts there, check out these openings. We have got 6 to 7 openings over there, and this is for Chennai, Bangalore and other locations. I have mentioned the experiences, email ID of the concerned person. So go through the templates and do apply, and I wish you all the best. Do well and do follow for more job updates. If it is not of your use, please share with your friends. Thanks a lot. Shri Swami Samartha. Good morning, guys. We have a new opening for freshers 2023 pass out batch BE Tech for Pune, Bangalore and Kochi location. I'm attaching the details after this video in a template. Please go through the details and do apply for these positions, and I wish you all the best. Do follow for more job updates and do share with your friends those who are in need of job. Thanks a lot. Shri Swami Samartha. Good morning, friends. Shri Swami Samartha. So we have got openings in SAP software for the given modules. So I am sharing the template with you. This is for 0 to 2 years of experience people, and there are certain other requirements of SAP that is for freshers. So certificate is an added advantage for you people. If you are certified in SAP, that the chances of getting jobs are more. So I'm just sharing the details in the next template. Please do visit, do check the email IDs and do apply if you are SAP certified. Thanks a lot. Shri Swami Samartha. So good morning, friends. Shri Swami Samartha. We have got a new job opportunity that will be a work from home. It's a remote opportunity for QA tester, and they are looking for 2+ years of experience for this job. So those who are interested, I'm just attaching the template wherein the email ID is mentioned. So please do not ask for the link. The email ID is given in the template. Just go and update your resume as per the given position and do apply. All the very best. Shri Swami Samartha. Do follow more for the new job openings and career guidance. Thank you. Freshers. So there are total 17 positions for the freshers as per the location wise. So they are looking for different positions: Hyderabad, Pune, Bangalore, Noida. I am attaching all the freshers job posting. I mean the available positions in the next template along with the email ID. Please do apply with your updated profile, and I wish you all the best. Do follow for more job updates. Thank you. Shri Swami Samartha. Good morning, friends. Shri Swami Samartha. Skoda India is looking for content creators for their senior leadership program, and the company is based out in India. I mean, that is in Pune. So the details are given in the next template. So those who have got experience in the content creation for leadership program, they must apply for this position. And for more details, please refer the next template, and do send your updated resume along with your sample work on the given email IDs. Thank you. Shri Swami Samartha.